morning. If you don't know me, my name is Sinta Wardani and my study ID number is 2074. Hello! Today, I want to talking about a presentation and the topic is algorithms and programming, especially programming language Python. So, follow me until the end, okay? Let's go! So guys, before I go into the material, I want to talking about table of content on the PowerPoint. So, number 1, what is an algorithms? Number 2, what is an programming? And number 3, why we learn Python? And number 4, about Python. So, this is material and we will discuss today. So, follow me until the end. Okay? So guys, in slide 1, I want to discuss about algorithms. So, did you know what is an algorithm? Okay, algorithm is related to coding. So that's why algorithms is studying about mathematics. An algorithm is a set of structure and logical steps or procedures designed to solve a problem or achieve a specific goal. That's why algorithms are widely used in various fields, especially in computing and mathematics, to provide systematic solution. In the slide number 2, I want to talking you about algorithm and the example. This is a simple example of the algorithm. So you can see number 1, take two number as input. So number 2, add them, and number 3, output the result. So the output is the result of input. In slide number 3, I want to talking you about a programming. So guys, did you know what is a programming? You can see in my side. Programming is the process of creating a set of instructions that a computer can follow to perform specific tasks. These instructions are written in programming language, which acts as a bridge between humans and machine. So, guys, when you see colorful writing, it has entered into coding. In slide number 4, I want to talking you about a basic element on programming. So, this is my side. You can see. First is variable. Variable is a stored value that can be used and manipulated in a program. Next, data types including integer. So what is integer? Integer is whole numbers like number 1 or number 2. Next is floats. Float is a decimal number. Next is string. String is the text like hello or hi or Python. Next is boolean or bool, is true or false value. Next is conditional sentence. Conditional sentence in programming refers to a structure used to execute specific blocks of code based on whether a condition is true or false. It allows program to make a decision. Next is loops. 1. For loop. A for loop iterates over a sequence, executing the block of code for each item in the sequence. Number 2 is while loop. While loop is a continuous to execute as long as its condition is true. So next is function. What is function? Function is a programming. A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Function make a code modular, easier to understand, and more efficient by avoiding repetition. Next is list or array. A list or array in programming is a data structure used to store multiple values in a single variable. And tuple. A tuple is a collection data type in Python that is similar to a list but has one key difference. Input or output. Input refers to this data that is provided to a program by the user, a file or another source. In programming, we often use input function to get data during the execution of a program. Output. What is output? Output refers to the data or result that the program produces and display to the user. The output can be displayed on the screen. In next slide, I want to talking you about a programming language. So, what is programming language? A programming language is a formal set of instruction and syntax used to communicate with computer and create software. Example of programming language is a Java, C++, C Sharp, JavaScript, and Python. And now I want talking you about Python. So when you see the logo of Python, you can think this is a snake. Why the logo of Python is snake? Because Python in real life is an animal. Because Python in real life is a snake. That's why the logo of Python in coding in programming language is snake. This is a body and this is a head. So this is the last slide. When you see in my side, this is a example. This is a simple example of Python. The example is input print hello world. When you run the program, the output is hello world. So this is my presentation. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.